I'm Charles, I'm 24 years old, I'm from Taiwan. Now I live in Moscow. I've been here for half of a year. I'm studying master in higher economy school. I'm a master student.
So when you just came to Moscow for the first time, what food did you eat? Like where?
In 2014, I have been here for 1 year student exchange program to study Russian. Honestly, when I have been here, the first meal definitely is McDonald's because after the plan, I'm really hungry. But if you want me to say that first meal, I went to the Mumu restaurant and Russian people introduced me that you should go to that cafeteria Mumu. The first definitely I order is borscht because people say come to Russia, you definitely need to try this soup. Borscht is in my first food when I arrived in Moscow.
What do you think are the main features in Russian food that you noticed? Like you tried something, and what are like the peculiarities?
I must say that every food in Russia, Russian people like to add a kind of herbs. It's a small green grass. I don't know how to uklop. Yeah, and I really don't like that because it has strong smell. So that's my image of the Russian food.
So the blitz questions, I will tell you the names of Russian dishes, and if you tasted it and if you think it's okay, you say yes. Okay. And if you haven't tasted or you think it's not good, then you say no. Борщ.
Yes.
Окрошка.
No.
Пельмени.
No.
Холодец.
No.
Vodka.
Yes.
Where in Moscow can you find your national food, and is it much different from the authentic?
Near the MSU Moscow University, there is a lot of Chinese restaurant for the Chinese student. So in the red line, the metro, then under the west-south area, that you can find a lot of restaurant about Chinese restaurant.
Are the dishes much different from the authentic ones?
As I know, these both they are from China, so they import the Chinese material to their restaurant. So I think it's familiar, but of course not 100%.
Which Russian dishes are the most crazy and awful, maybe gross, you cannot eat them?
I would definitely say the salad. The salad is, I don't like. It's too fresh for me. Yeah, and sometimes, like I like to go to our universities, the Stalovia canteen. How to say that? The babushka. They always put too much salt or too much sugar into the salad. So I really want to suggest them just think about the salad things.
And what kind of salad do you mean?
I don't know that name, but it's the red salad, and inside have the little beans and a little bit potatoes or something, cucumber, огурец, like that. Yeah, maybe. Thank you for your watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe this channel. Bye bye.